Some cannot handle the naked truth, their cloaks and their armor. Aspirations lost in false interpret will eventually be found. Give the people back the microphone so they say